Hi there. Hi there. So, you're probably wondering why am I currently recording on a different platform and why does the camera quality looks like it came from fucking 2008? Well, that's because I'm currently testing to see if my new setup is currently working. You see, I always had this camera, of course, where I always recorded, where basically, oh god dang it, retake. So basically, what you saw was my old setup. Is that my setup was basically before I had my computer set up and everything was basically using these two things, an iPhone 7 and an iPad 3. An iPhone 7 to record ordinary audio, and the iPad 3 is for the same thing as well. This one is primarily used for recording the video inside it, or basically, video inside video recording thing. And that was basically my setup for the past month and a half or so, I think. Well, it's been a while since I've done YouTube, so I don't remember my first video and why it's further known that I was starting a YouTube channel, but I digress. I'm just currently testing out this new camera system ever since I tried to record my brothers using OBS and that didn't work. So I'm currently using this webcam here. Now, the audio is of course from the Videocam microphone, so if it sounds like absolute crap, believe me, I'm going to try to fix it. But don't blame me if it still sounds like crap. I'm trying my best here. I'm not experienced in YouTube at all. Yeah, even I know that I'm gonna probably mess up everything because I always do. It's YouTube. I'm a 13-year-old. That doesn't work well with each other, and especially the fact that I'm always stuttering. Like this speaking really was not supposed to be because I am dead. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that I'm currently going to be trying to test a few things like, recording the webcam, recording the interface on it and everything. Of course, now that I've seen it, my actual webcam looks like a physical piece of shit and it looks like it came from YouTube from 2008. I mean, you can literally just post this video quality as the YouTube 2008 format, and I'm pretty sure nobody would be surprised if it actually came from 2008. Well, despite the fact that this chair looks like it doesn't came from 2008, but hey look, it's 2008. What do you expect? That light is way too goddamn bright, so I should probably cover my chair. So anyways, this is just really a major test to see of the webcam quality testing, seeing if it actually works. And it looks like it does. And it looks like from a 2008 YouTube video. And well, that's basically all